The Mpow Flame Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Mpow Flame Pro. These have an earhook design. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The Mpow Flame Pro features 8 hours of listening time, 32 total hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm 3020 chipset, aptX codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. Has 12.4mm drivers, touch and button controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case has a solid plastic feel and it's on the larger side, comparable to many of the Earhook design earbuds. It has a matte finish all around and the branding is on the top. On the front of the case, you have the status LED. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to remove from the case. You also have the Mpow branding etched in inside the case. The case also has wireless charging, and here it is on the charger. You can see it activate. The earbuds are fairly light and has a clean look to them. The ear hooks are flexible and have a rubber feel. You can see the ear indicators on the inside. And on the outer face, it has the branding along with touch and button controls. Each of the earbuds have ear hooks, proximity sensor, ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, touch control, LED, and button control. Here they are side by side. Controls are straightforward. Music controls use the buttons and the calls use a touch. The case comes in at 3 inches by 3 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 99 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 21 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. 'Cause we go back in time to thrills I missed and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow Flame Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I found the microphone to work extremely well during calls. It comes in loud and clear and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and you can use the earbuds independently. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mpow Flame Pro. They were comfortable and easy to put on. The ear hooks provided the extra stability and support to keep them secure. Touch and button controls are responsive and they don't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is decent. The case is a simple plastic shell and it does feel durable. Earbuds have a sleek look and also feels durable. I like the button and touch controls that they integrated. Easy to navigate and they worked with no issues. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 8 hours and 32 total with the case. USB-C and wireless charging are a definite plus. Now when it comes to sound, Mpow didn't disappoint. The sound signature is definitely in line with their other products that they released. You definitely get some deep, tight bass. It's not too overwhelming, but it was just right for me. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear. It doesn't get drowned out by the bass. It just felt balanced throughout, with the right amount of punch. And you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel that the Mpow Flame Pro are an impressive pair of earhook type design earbuds. They definitely deliver on the sounds. They can be used for workouts and casual listening, and it's a great alternative to say the Power Beats Pro. So that is my review of the Mpow Flame Pro. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.